Everyone tells you to fall in love with the process, but I believe you should rise in love with it because this journey is not about losing yourself, it's about becoming yourself. You don't fall when you are building your purpose, you rise. Every challenge is not pushing you down, it's pulling you up into strength, into patience, into the version of you that can handle what you asked for. The process is not punishing you, it's preparing you. And once you start seeing it that way, you stop fighting it and you start flowing with it. The process will break your comfort before it builds your confidence. It will stripe away every version of you that is not ready for the life you prayed for. It will make you question yourself. You will wonder, why is this taking so long? You will feel invisible, exhausted, unseen. But that's where your root grow deep. That's where your faith gets muscles. When no one claps for you, when your results don't show yet, when your purpose feels painfully slow, that's when your soul is being strengthened. The process is not just about the dream, it's about becoming the person who can handle it without losing yourself. Here is what people don't tell you: you don't rise through results, you rise through repetition. You rise every time you show up, not because someone is watching, but because you make a promise to yourself. You rise every time you keep faith in the dark. You rise when you stop chasing shortcuts and start trusting divine timing. You rise when you understand that not seeing progress doesn't mean it's not happening. Think about it. Flowers don't bloom the moment you plant them. They grow underground first, unseen, silent, sacred, and so are you. You are blooming quietly while you are waiting, learning, healing, rebuilding. And one day the world will see what you have been working on all along. But the difference is, by then, you will already know your worth because the process will have taught you that you never needed external validation to prove your value. So, today, rise. Rise above impatience, rise above self doubt, rise above comparison. Because the process is not punishing you, it's shaping your character. It's teaching you emotional control, consistency, and humility. Don't rush what God is still perfecting. Don't fight what's teaching you alignment. Rise in love with every lesson, every delay, every uncomfortable step. Because when you rise in love with the process, you don't chase result anymore. You attract them. You become magnet to everything that matches your new frequency. You no longer beg for blessings. You embody them because your growth makes you the vibration of what you want. So keep rising, keep trusting, keep showing up. The process is building you into someone unstoppable. And when it's done, the result will speak louder than words ever could. Don't fall in love with the process, rise in love with it. Because rising is how you meet your higher self. Thank you for being here.